Me gusta el metaverso y me gusta estudiar. Hello, Remio. Okay. Remio. So it's gonna be my goal to be on every single Yee-hoo!
I got my bubble on, bubble on, bubble on. In my bubble all along, all along, all along.
So there are basically a lot of games, so if you want to join me, come join me.
Well, hello there. I am Blue-Eyed Bandit, and this is my first time here, actually. This is really fun, by the way, and you should definitely come.
Hey y'all, so basically what I just want to say is this game is really lit. Like, I swear to God, this game is so good. If you play this game, if you even play this game, it's the best. It's the best.
Where's my egghead?
This is Beanbag. Beanbag says hi.
You registered? Now you're gonna be my sister.
So, I found this game. It looks pretty cool. I decided to try out, and it's actually pretty fun. So, and also, another thing is, yeah, that's all.